In this video, I am going to give you an update concerning two crypto networks. The first network I am going to talk about is the Notcoin. We are going to talk about the withdrawal date and also what to do to secure our Notcoin. So the next update I am going to give you is the Quantoswap. Alright, so if you join the Quantoswap, congratulations. I'm going to give you an update concerning the withdrawal. Alright, so I made a video on it and it's over now. Alright, so now there's no time to waste. Let's get into it. My name is Kojun Kete of SAS Media Studio. On this channel, I make videos relating to affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, business marketing, email marketing, and also making passive money online. So if you want this kind of content, just subscribe. Now, the first news concerning Notcoin is the withdrawal date. Just look at the screen right now. The withdrawal date is May 16th as promised by Wallet in Telegram. Okay, so that is the Ton wallet itself, which is being backed by Telegram. So the Notcoin was built on the Ton network, and the Ton wallet is assuring or is giving us a date that on May 16th there are going to be some magic. And what is the magic? The magic is that is when they are going to list the Notcoin token. All right, the Notcoin token. So that means that will be also the day for the distribution of the Notcoin. All right, and this is not the only news for the Notcoin. The next news is going to shock you more. So when I go to the next one, which is the Bybit is also saying Not is coming soon to the Bybit spot trading platform. So that means you can trade on Bybit with your Not tokens, you understand, with your Not tokens, and the listing date is May 16th 12 p.m. UTC time. That is universal time, right? So you can deposit, withdraw, and it will also be available on the Ton network. So yes, so that is it. So Bybit has also assured us that they are going to list Notcoin. And that is not only the news. The last one is the okay, so introducing the Notcoin on OKX Jumpstart. Get involved with your Ton starting from 6 a.m. on May 13th. Then the date will end on the May 16th, okay, which is the end. So the jumpstart for the Not will be May 13th and is going to end on the May 16th. So we will continue to give you an update concerning that. Okay, so if you don't have any OKX account, just leave it at the comment section. I'll help you to create one. If you already have, just stay cool. If you also have Bybit, then you are good to go. Then I am going to show you where the coin is going to be distributed. As I mentioned earlier in the video, it's going to be distributed on the Ton wallet on Telegram. So I'm going to show you how you can create this wallet. You understand? If you already have an account, how can you access your wallet or your Ton wallet? Okay, so let's go to Telegram. Okay, so I am using Telegram on my PC. I'll leave the link of my channel and I also leave the link of the Ton wallet. Okay, and when you come to my channel as well, you are going to see the link to the Ton wallet. All you have to do is just click on it, so you'll be brought to their bots. All you have to do is just click on open wallet. All right, so now as you can see, we have the Ton space. All right, so that is it. So all you have to do is just click on the Ton space over here. Okay, and this is my wallet address or my Ton address. Okay, so you should make a deposit to this Ton address, because when they distribute the Ton to this particular wallet, you will also love to withdraw this or swap this to USDT or any other crypto network, and they are going to request for a gas fee. Because Notcoin was built on Ton, they are going to request for a Ton gas fee. So it's better you prepare in time before the 16th. All right, so you just have to come to the Ton address here, click on deposit, you copy your Ton address, then you can go to any exchange, okay, or any wallet that is listing the Ton token. You can make deposit over there and transfer the fund into this section. or better still, you can transfer USDT to this your account, then transfer from wallet. When you click on transfer from wallet, you can see you can swap from US to the Ton wallet, okay, or you can come back here, then you click on the Theta USD, okay. So when you click on that, you can click on swap. Okay, so you can see I have no USDT. So when you click on swap, okay, then you can swap to your Ton coin or your Ton token. So that is what you are going to do concerning your Ton wallet, so that you will not have any issue when they distribute your token to your Ton wallet of Telegram, right? So this is all the update concerning the Notcoin. So let's quickly go to the Quantoswap. All right, so when you come to the Quantoswap now, you can see that the interface has changed. Okay, at first when I started accessing it in the morning, I couldn't access it, not knowing they were redesigning the site. All right, so when they finish with the redesigning, this is how they have turned the site into. So you can swap, you can add liquidity, and you can farm, okay, pools and the referral program. All right, so we are going to talk about the potential or what you think the value of KNS is going to be, or the Quantoswap token is going to be. All right, so let's quickly go to their Discord channel. All right, so the first announcement here is the Peg Shield. Okay, so we are pleased to announce that we have passed an audit by Peg Shield, and one of the top 5 crypto auditors. So the Peg Shield is a crypto auditor company that will audit your crypto stuffs. All right, your crypto distribution, your crypto token, the distributions and other stuff, okay, and predict the value for you, right? So when I click on the link here, you can see you can find the full report here. So let me click on the link over there. I'll leave the link also at the description down below. Now when I come to this section, you can see we have the QNS, and the value is $2.17. Okay, so that means, and you can see audited by Peg Shield. All right, so that is it. So the potential price for the QNS token is $2. So now let's go to the next news. Okay, so the next one is the Quantoswap is over, as I told you in the very early of the video, and this is the most important one. So all participants will get their rewards during 7 days after the platform launch. So the Quanto launch will be soon. So when they launch the Quantoswap platform, that is after 7 days, you are also going to get your rewards, okay, the tax that you did and the referral that you did. And when you scroll down to this, okay, so the Quantoswap is live now, so that means it has been launched. Okay, from today 9th, we should add a 7 days on top of 9th, which will be 16th. So probably by 16th, 17th, we should be getting our rewards as promised by Quantoswap. Okay, so you can read about the article over here. So you can swap any ERC20 tokens with low fees. You can stake QNS, okay, tokens and other assets. You can add liquidity and earn LP tokens. You can stake your LPs to earn QNS tokens. So when you add liquidity, you are going to earn LP tokens, and when you stake the LP tokens, you are going to get the QNS tokens. Okay, you can also invite friends and generate yield together. All right, so you invite friends, you are going to get free rewards. Okay, so you can read about the article on Medium, and you can also visit their website. Okay, I'll leave the link of the Medium article at the description down below, and also the website as well. So that is it. So let's come to this side. I said Quantoswap update. You have initiated significant update related to liquidity. Okay, that is not yes. So you can see new farm spares are available on Quantoswap. So those who want to farm, those who want to add liquidity, so this is the pairs they have. Okay, so the Quantoswap, as I told you, is just like the Uniswap. Okay, so that is it. So you have USDC to USDT go, and you have the QNS to WETH. Okay, yes, that is it. So this is the update concerning the Quantoswap token or the Quantoswap airdrop that we did this particular week. I made a video on it this particular week. Yeah, so please like this video if you're enjoying it. Okay, subscribe. I know a lot of people will be asking, how can I see my token when it get distributed? All right, so I'm going to show you this very quick. All right, so all you have to do is go to your wallet that you connected. So in my video I taught you how to use the Metamask. So I'm going to show you with Metamask. I've also created a video about how to connect networks or tokens to Metamask. All right, so I'll leave the link at the description down below, and also how to create a Metamask wallet. I'll leave the link at the description down below. All right, so I am going to click on my Metamask extension. All right, so make sure it is on Ethereum. Okay, then come to the token section, the tokens. Then you have to scroll down, then click on import tokens. Then you have to click on custom token. Then you have to paste their contract address. Okay, so I'll leave the contract address at the description down below, and also in my Telegram channel. All right, so when you paste it, you can see the token symbol is QNS and the decimal is 18, right? So now click next, then click import. So now, as you can see, this is the QNS token. So it has been added to the Ethereum network. Okay, so that means the QNS was built on Ethereum. All right, so that is it. All right, I know all your questions has been answered. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. If you want updates, more crypto airdrops, free ones, then subscribe to this YouTube channel so that whenever I make a video, you will be the first person to watch that video. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, leave a comment at the comment section. If you have any question relating to Notcoin, Quantoswap, or any other crypto network I have not talked about before. All right, goodbye.